Hello and welcome to AEM Learning. In this video, we will see how to create a simple project in AEM. Note that in actual project environment, we use Maven to create project, but we will discuss about Maven and Maven project creation in a separate video. We will see how we can create a template and a page component and how we can utilize our template to create a web page. We will also discuss about one of the basic but very important concept of sling resolution and how the request is mapped to the resource. So let's begin by creating a project. We will go to CRXD Lite and click on the As folder and we'll create a folder for our project. Let's say My Learning. We'll save our changes. In this project, we will create two more folders. One to hold our components and one more for our templates. So templates provide the initial base structure to your page. So let's see how we can create a component. We will right click on the component folder and then you can create a component. So here I am going to create a page content component, as this will be the basic structure for my template. So it will be the content container for this template. So I'm naming it as page content. We will discuss about super types in later, because we are creating this project just to understand the sling resolution. You can click on next and say OK. Save all your changes. Now let's see how we can create a template. We can right click on the template folder and create template. So base and title is mandatory, and resource type will be the apps My Learning components page content. It is the same component that we have created. Ranking will define how the ordering of the templates. So if there are more than one templates, the lower will be the rank, higher will be the template when you will create a page. So we will mention allowed path as /content bracket /dot star question mark. It means that this template will be available to each and every folder that will be under content. We can skip allowed parent and allowed children property for now. We'll discuss about all the template properties in a detailed video, because this is one of the very important concept of AEM certification. Let's save all the changes. Now we will go to localhost and site admin to create our website page. But before that, whenever you create a component, the rendering script is also created, and by default it will be the same as the name of the component. So let's rename it to from JSP to HTML, because from 6 onwards Sitely was introduced, and most of the time you will be creating HTML script. We can click on website and create new page. So whenever you will create, the wizard will show your base template. That also means that your template has been successfully created. So let's name it as welcome. Now if you click on website, you will see that it is making use of the base template. Now double click on it. So it will open your page, but here you will see there is nothing being displayed because we are using 6.1 and editor.html is for touch UI. So let's change this to cf hash, and you will see that whatever we have given here, it is getting displayed. So that means we have successfully created our website page. Now let's see what happens when you create your page in your site admin. So under the content folder, it will create a welcome page. So we mentioned welcome there as the title. So it has created a page. And if you look at the JCR content property, so what template has given, it has passed the sling resource type property of the template to this page. So this page is making use of your rendering script, which is your page content, and also CQ template which we have created. So that's how the pages that are created on your site admin gets bind to your rendering script. In the next video, we will see how Sling uses this URL to locate your rendering script. Thanks for watching.